great environment, and it seems like it fosters creativity a lot. I think this is like the future way of how corporations is going to work. You know?
Grateful that I'm here, appreciating my privilege. Corey talked about that a lot today, and it's definitely a big privilege. So for those of you watching who are looking to be in NPower and do a program like this, make sure you show off so that way you can get these kinds of opportunities.
What I learned today, I learned a lot of things. I learned how to be more productive in my internships and become a better person in general. Try to get along with as many people as you can because you never know who is who. And just try to do your best every single day because you never know who you might meet and it can probably lead to other doors in life. So always do your best and you shall succeed.
I would like to spread the word out for anybody that's looking for places to strive, to expand.
Go to NPower.
Come to NPower.